Well, it is now night and we are skinny dipping.
Welcome YouTube and welcome back to another video. Well, it's all like already I said.
We did it!
So yes, we are officially married.
Man and wife.
Yeah, and we're going on our honeymoon as we speak.
Right now.
So we're going to come on, we're going to do some vlog for this one. We're going to, I want you guys to guess the hotel. We did this the last time we went to somewhere. We wanted to guess the hotel. So when we go there, you guys will see. We're probably putting at the title. We don't know. Let's see.
Let's see what going.
Yeah, so we're going to a hotel in St. Anne. Ooh, think about it.
My parish.
Yeah, and we're going to be vlogging the road trip, showing you guys some of the amenities of the hotel so you can consider it as well. We saw some videos on it and definitely it maintained like a 4.5 stars and it has been around for a long time. So I hope we enjoy ourselves. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog as well. And girl, you know who you is, it's off a vlog. Alright, don't talk.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning.
Yes, yeah, but the car don't feel lopsided.
Yeah, because it would have feel the drop.
Yeah. The sandals there. Don't drip out. Which lane we fit in there?
Hi people, so as you can see we're in the town of St. Anne. Where were they, baby?
Ocho.
Alright. And as you see there's a few hotels that we already started past. So we're right next to Rio now. We passed the Sandals and we're going to approach a lot more on our way to where we're going. So
they're more central.
yeah, these are more central. This would have been nice, yes. I never think about them hotel in the first place. And I have been to Rio. I don't remember being at Sandals before. But
Marchi make it first long pole trip.
yeah, coming up the highway was pretty easy. Orin is a pretty good driver and can manage himself. And the car do thing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, our family, them, they kind of concerned. But
concerned because of people like them, watch him with him big tire there.
But the car managed itself good. What about this, Orin?
Oh, yeah, so?
Yeah. Grass.
Wait and see if we go straight.
Yeah. In the table for turn it. Google will tell us. Alright people, we just keep in touch. We're gonna try our best to block the entire, block the, we're gonna try to block the stay. So we're gonna be there for 2 nights, 3 days. Yeah. Alright guys, so we not have no deodorant. None. So I stop early and buy toothbrush and toothpaste, but I never get that. So I see one of a bright store right before the hotel, so we're gonna see if we can get something in here. Anybody in here? All good. We're looking for deodorant, we see it.
Shopping.
Thank God the car na low. I couldn't say same thing for certain people car. Alright. Road is I could have fixed upstairs. The road around here now so not so pretty. Oh yes. Okay. Oh yes. What that one the name? Hyperscope. If that dirty Google carry something for last, me drape her up. Me drape her up. Turn so big because I was saying that this way I go. I eat this. No. Further down. down this now. Alright, so we reach. Yes, to Google.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh, nice.
No, right, the sea sign this way. In the sea sign? The sea sign?
Yes, man. Okay. Lord Jewels fix the road.
That's what I say, you know, so pretty. You could have fixed something more, could have nicer. Alright, so I reach. Alright, so drive through right here. So, oh, do drop off the things, them. I think it wasn't recording. What is that? I think I don't have any homework shit. You want like $20? I don't have so much. Take me. Not even them look at this change can bring. Take it to wait. Okay guys, so we are finally in our room. The room is very basic, but it's cozy. It's been a while since I've been to a hotel. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour because it's gonna be very quick and show you what the room has to offer. Like, come in, people. Have a local station for make a little coffees, right? Coffee, water, whatever you have and have not. So in here, so things them or luggage, and in here you can hang up your clothes. Excuse me. Ooh, and a safe as well as in here. You can make your own pin, those stuff. You know, you have your phone. What is it that Orion did? What's the problem? Okay. You're in my tour. Anyways, let's say it's very small, as this is the little main area now. Is this a king size bed? Or a queen? I don't know. So this is the bed right now. That Orion already jumping and look, we messed up in a 2.4 seconds. Alright. We have our TV right here. A little lounge seat right, yeah, so another little lounge seat right there, so. And let's look at the bathroom. Somebody's very excited. Already I read my tour, man. Let me look for the bathroom first, then we'll go out there. Anyways, so toilet seat is up. I guess it shows that it's clean. In here looks good. I like the bathroom actually. Bathroom is more than I expected. You know, from entering. Of course, you get a complimentary shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Look at outside view, which if you can manage to see up there. You have a hair dryer. Oh yeah, in here is pretty basic, but I like it. It feels clean. It feels homey. Watch Arena read the people them things them already. What is that? Oh, a shower cap. Alright, let's go to the balcony now. Alright, yeah, we'll go to the, what is that? Body lotion.
The balcony is not flattering as I pull it so big wheel.
A big wheel? Mirror outside. Said wheel. Anyways, it's a keep doors. Please keep doors closed at all times. Do not turn off air conditioning. Maintain temperatures. So we can't turn off the AC?
No. So we are going.
Chill.
Turn on the TV. I'm gonna see how out here looks. We literally have a pool. We have a poolside view. Our terrace is tiny whiny, but I like. As I say, I'm cool. Cool everything. People are enjoying the pool. Oh, there's a little like jacuzzi section. right here. I think me and Orin definitely will find ourselves over here a little bit later or probably tomorrow. I think for now we are going to just spend time just relaxing, and then tomorrow we deal with things tomorrow. And yeah, I don't know, but yeah. Orin is trying to work said television. Oh, it has cable. Don't have good experience with hotel selections, but anyways guys, we'll get acquainted.
Rich. I don't know if you can tell, but I used to not know my first time at an hotel ever.
Oh,
Yeah! You gotta take the water, but you didn't touch though. You drop an injury in the neck.
and you do it more than once. Where's my coffee? Or here's my coffee.
So,
For one charge.
anywho,
Yeah. So
thank you guys so much for watching this video. We will check back in when we are leaving.
when we go to dinner.
Dinner, yes. You will see us eating. You see me running already.
And that may
I'm
say
so
we
sad.
just started the damn vlog. They haven't even seen a good 5 minutes of us.
So we'll check back in when we are having dinner. It seems like majority of the things are all inclusive. I love that word, all inclusive.
I got a coffee, guys, as you would have seen.
All inclusive.
Alright, people, later.
Yeah.
The lumpy sand school. And here goes the sand in my shoes. No, 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 no.
Come over your shoes.
No, 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 no. Oh, they have daily activities? Them must cost.
Yes.
Definitely do. Okay, so it's a little after 5 and Orion seems dead hungry. So the pizzeria is supposed to be open up until 6, and then 6 dinner supposed to start. So we're gonna see if we can get like 1 and 2 slices. So Orion can. It's probably 5:30. No, not actually. I might not even know. Let me see. It is. It's 5:30 on the dot. It's 5:30. So if probably we can't wait if we not get through. Because more likely scraps would be left at this point.
Are you sure?
I haven't. It looks so. It really looks so because I have a picture of them. Oh, it's a closed. Yeah, we get knocked. We get knocked. A big sign they closed. Yes. That's it. Me tell you some comment also that we down by the. Yeah. So them close off. Yeah, them close off, but only because they don't have any doors. So normally they do close off at 6. So it would have been just in time. But you see with them something here, it's because it's a free for all. They don't wait till last minute. Because people would come and eat them belly overfull. So right now we just walk on the pier until I guess we're ready for until we're ready to go to the dining area. Because they open at 6. So we're gonna be one of the first mother suckers there. Where are we walking to? They want to play chess?
Yeah.
Chess?
Not today.
Yeah, I don't want to play chess either. I wonder what's over there. I think it's a jerk spot. What's it? You know, I don't pay them no mind. I don't see them. I don't see them. Oh, see more of a dot right there so as well. Yes, I mean, I wonder. I smell jerks. I wonder if I hear so. Is a jerk spot too. Let's see if there's something you can get over here. Alright, so the place that we are trying for Moon Star by Sophie. Isn't this a restaurant? Let's find out. Let's find out.
Hello, folks.
Hi.
How are you doing?
We're fine. Yeah. Is this a part of the amenities or is it a separate with okay?
This is the Italian restaurant.
You want to eat here? Yes. Alright, so we end up in a restaurant. The buffet still wasn't open and we were advised that we could come over here or in Hungary, so I say might as well let's try it. So it's an Italian restaurant, and we're considering what we're gonna have. Here we have bread and we have sauces. Orange still study the menu. I think my bean soup. Not a bean soup this year. Anyways, or what is that? A pizza?
So them say.
I think that's just oven. That's oven bread. That's oven bread, baby. Alright, there we go. I wanna have it. Alright, so apparently there's a worm in Orion's stomach and we're going out again. I can have food at a buffet.
Yes.
I can't promise that I'll be eating anything. I don't think I would be. But you know, envy might hold me. Who's to say?
A nigga hungry.
Yeah, so we step out for the last time for the night. And we're gonna go to the buffet now this time. So they close up at 9:30. It's about probably 8:30. So I have like an hour worth up there.
Yeah.
I think some entertainment supposed to be going on as well. So let's see. Hey, Vicky? She put them right there, So I was seated, sorry, Mongo, we call it, sort out in play. Basically I was whisked away from him. Yeah, alright, looks like I'm gonna wait my dog. Look at my greedy man. You saw what he ate earlier. That looks disgusting, I'm sorry. Right here. Oh, they have boiled food. Or in the steamed vegetable basically done. No calm beef.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oriana. Oriana. We are ramping life. After the food done. Is this potatoes? Yeah, I have fried potatoes. And the cinnamon bread. Oh no. Oh, they have baked bean. I have baked bean. Well, as you can see, like me and Orion plate is totally different. This is oatmeal porridge and I put cinnamon and nutmeg on top of it. French toast, fried potatoes, baked beans, steamed veg, or in a bacon, breakfast sausage, potato and babe, what's this?
Pine
What you say? And watermelon, them not have nothing else. Them not have no apple and them something they left. Aww. Sorry, them not have more pineapple.
Morning and welcome. How are you?
Morning. Alright people.
To the beach.
Yeah, we're going to the beach and we're going to walk the property a little bit. Beach, probably pool afterwards. And this is the walk plus beach outfit. You know, the week have to go one side. Baldy looking cute, right? But anyways, we came back from breakfast and we're gonna just head down back on the property. And we're gonna see if we can find out if someone's gonna come clean the room or yeah.
Because as you can see, it needs to be clean.
Yeah, in the bathroom. You ever want the sheets them? Yeah. Anyways, yeah guys. Alright, so we just booked the we're passing it now.
Over here.
Yeah, we just booked, that's the Jade Samurai restaurant, I believe. We're booking for 6 p.m. tonight. We're going to the beach now, then we're going to head into the pool. But a beer nice on the pool now, lad, girl.
Them clean up the pool, but we have to go to the ocean.
First?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do the beach first.
Safe to say that I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we left the past thing is that we would use to get towels, and we never walk with no towels, so unfortunate. So, Orientum said my run go up and get it, so I'm just saving some chair seats for us. It's directly underneath a little, we call it the shade, bamboo, cabana, I don't even know. The man threw me off, but yeah. Hi darling. Taryn's back. I'm living in best life. Alright people, so we drinks them get called up to it when we're near the water. Orin is learning how to manage himself in the water, doggy paddle and all that stuff. Alright, so we're gonna just take a break and drink. Alright, we're gonna take a break and drink these drinks and then head back in the water. Then probably when we go to the pool, we carry you guys over there. Alright guys, so we went to the pool. Pool right here. Boy, I wanted to video vlog much of it. Yeah, we went to the pool right here. And apparently there's a beach, or it's an access point beach right here. So very close by. It's much more secluded and smaller than where we went this morning. And I'm thinking probably in the evening, if we want to go back to the pool, we can come here. Here is quicker to reach from where our room is, and it's gonna be less crowded because like look at the place, look at the place right at the ocean, people.
I think
or sea, I should say.
So it's like an ocean, like a spot for to get married, you know.
Oh, right here, so the pier. You can, you know, especially you have different sections, as them can set up right here, so and look a walk. So if you have a very small wedding party, you get married right here, so. But yes guys, we really and truly a tour out backside. There's a pool very close to our room, but the people them were there, well, some people own the pool there. Yeah, basically they always there since we're here.
I'm walk on a
They're
circle like
loud with
an
them.
evening exercise.
The pool very loud, so our intention is to come back either to the pool or see or probably both of them later in the night.
Yes.
But if the one by our room is still occupied by loudmouths, we'll come over here. So it's very, very quiet and very secluded. And we're to have a beach right here, so we can just dip from sea to fresh water.
Yeah.
Right.
But so tomorrow morning I shall be around.
Yeah, so if we don't come back tonight, we can do it tomorrow morning.
And it doesn't look. Okay, I'm looking for something to see. Look like a snorkel. I just saw a big.
It's very shallow. We can come here regardless. We can just test it out. If we don't like it, we just walk go in the other section.
Like grass. You see?
What's that about? Oh, like underwater? Like crabgrass? What do you call them then? It looks like crabgrass though, but I don't know the sea version name.
Near the moss.
Would you see some fish in the other part of the beach?
Yeah. Close to our snorkeling.
Yeah. Right, them have them video light and me mama. I can't bother. Until we catch them in the video. Alright. Oh my god.
You get good things at the hotel them. Come show the people when we are unboxing.
Yeah.
It's about unboxing. You didn't know about it. I don't know what it is. Read what upon this, babe. It's a happy
honeymoon.
What is?
Design. What is it that we've got? Is it that a pass for something? Are we gonna get pictures? Are we gonna get what are we getting?
This enjoy exclusive cocktails. We already had a drink for free. Join management and stuff this Thursday.
This Thursday?
We won't be here.
How would Jeff come back down here? What is it?
What they say? They said, dear Mr. and Mrs. K.
Alright guys, so we are late to go into our reservation for the Jade Summer restaurant. Yeah, it's 6:01 and our appointment is 6 o'clock. But good thing we're on the same property, so we're going to just be about 5 minutes late. Aaron left his phone. Yeah, so he's coming down now. But we're heading over there. Yeah, all months late on the same property. Yeah. Yeah, go. We're here.
Let's say we need to hold. You can have a season with the t-shirt, right?
Okay. It's cool.
I'm skating.
Alright. So we're the only ones that booked for 6 o'clock, so a lot of my days here, no? Shut up, I'm going to have a show. This is like
When person's coming.
yeah, but this is like hibachi basically. Because when we prepared in front of us, except for the appetizer, dessert, the main course is going to be prepared. Let me show you the station. I walk on. Or to me have recorded because I'm like I'm bowling for.
You both will be cooking together, right? I guess.
Well, he's a chef too, so yeah.
Oh. That's nice. Still in school. Why is that here? Yes. What does a tailor and a plantain have in common? That's our one, right?
Yeah.
You're right there.
Might. Oh wow.
That's our one. Here. You're right there.
Go ahead. Really already? Mighty God. That look like a hell no. Hell to no.
It tastes good. You will like it, but it's cake.
I wanna know why. My mosquito, I think it was alright.
Someone, he was on a suicide.
Come and rest him by the inside of my water. Like. Let me not disbelieve. When people drink my water and mosquito in there.
Yeah, he was suicidal.
Safe to say that I says 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yard.
People, it is now night and we are skinny dipping. We're not skinny dip, but we're in the warm waters.
We're in the jacuzzi. So round 2 breakfast, the last breakfast. Okay guys, it is the final day at the hotel. We had breakfast already. I think I showed a little bit of that. We're going back to the beach. We're gonna try one different pool this time. I love the idea of the main pool, but I mean it's big. It would be nice to walk around in it. And then you have the one directly behind the room, which we still haven't gone. So it's actually empty now, but that's probably because it's closed, because I saw somebody putting things in the water. So we're going to try there after the pool, and then 12 o'clock is checkout time and it's almost 10 o'clock. So we got like 2 hours to do all of this. Or at the beach, or at the pool, come back, try to rinse off and give people them things, and then try to eat some food. Yeah, then go home. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are finally checked out. We checked out and we're on mission, pack some food and carry home. So I went back to the pool that's right behind. We finally got through with that. I don't know if I mentioned it. We went back to the pool that's like literally behind the room that we had. And I went there and I had a pina colada with a little bit of rum. It was good. So I told her when I was coming back for it after I checked out, which I did. And I drank it up. So we're waiting on food now. It's gonna be 15 minutes, so we're just lounging by the pool. This is basically our favorite pool that we've used so far. I'm gonna show it. We're just in front of it right now, and then after that we're gonna take some teas and coffee and let's head on the road. It's time for us to go. This is the pool that we prefer out of all of them. Yes. Alright guys, so our stay at Jewels Paradise Cove has come. Parasite. That's all. Parasite. Paradise. Jesus, what did he need there? Yes. Our stay at Jewels Paradise Cove has come to. Yes, it has come to a close. Jesus, may I sweat out. I am going to take this off. Yeah. So, how was your stay here, darling? How was your stay? Your first hotel stay?
It was good.
Yes, girl.
I only made one mistake.
Yes, we both
No
made it.
file paper.
Guys, that right there, so
Contraband, see that?
Yes, so we managed to pack up everything. We got jerk chicken. We'll make sure
we get jerk chicken, jerk pork, chicken burger, beef burger. We get tea. We get the people in baked products.
Yes, we get baked products.
And everything.
We got a coffee, a latte, everything from the fridge. Yeah. So we have this is the tea, and then there's a latte.
Rookie mistake
up front. So.
Anyways, let me see.
Yeah, it's time for us to hit the roll, hit the toll. It should take us about 2 hours to reach home. But thank you so much for watching this video. We're getting back into our vlogging bag, showing you guys what's up, what's going on in the life of the gainers.
I thought we change the channel name to, you know.
Yeah, the life of the gainers.
Life with the gainers.
Whatever. What you guys think? You can comment down below if you think we should change it or make it stay as Orina Shadika, because that's the OG channel name.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Peace. Bye.